Hello everyone, this is Farooq Azam and you are watching Off Reach Talks. And today I'm here with my two friends. They are actually left side of me sitting Mr. Zach and right side of me sitting Miss
Sagufa.
Sagufa. So I have two friends, Mr. Zach and Miss Sagufa. And I'm recording this video for you guys actually, those who are highly interested to learn how to speak. These kind of videos will help you a lot. Before I start recording this video, I would like to just remind you, if you are watching the first time, don't forget to
Subscribe.
speak loudly. Don't forget to
Subscribe.
subscribe. And if you like, you must put the comment there and share with the friends. Now today we have the conversation between brothers, sisters, and brother. Zach is going to be an elder brother, okay?
Yes.
And Miss Shagufa is going to be a younger sister. Okay, actually, the discussion will be today. There is a marriage of her friend. There is a marriage of your friend, and that friend has invited you. So you will get permissions from the brother to go in the marriage. Marriage is tomorrow, but she wants you to come today. Do you all understand, guys? Audience? Yes, sir. Do you confirm understand? Great. And you will speak your own.
Yes,
In
sir.
case you need, like, if you don't get the answer proper, I'll give you that.
Okay.
But we will not speak directly. We'll give some chance to wait. Means she will complete, then you will speak.
Okay,
You will complete, then you will speak. I'm all okay? Can we start? Kindly put your mobile in silent mode. Mr. Zach as elder brother and Miss Shagufa as younger brother.
Yes.
Action. Sister,
Younger sister.
that they understand. The audience understand. नौशाद भाई 10 मिनट सिर्फ आप तकलीफ कर ले तो मेहरबानी. ओके, आप ऑफिस खोल के बैठ जाएंगे. हाँ. Okay, well, so can we start now? Dear audience, she is a sister, younger, and she is a brother, elder. And she will get permissions to go in the marriage of the friend. Action.
Hi, brother.
Hello.
I have some work from you.
Oh, wait, repeat.
I have some work from you.
Okay, what work you have?
There is a marriage of my friend. She wants me to come a day before her wedding.
Wait, Saklan, you can take video from me. No need to record your own. Sound will not be there. It will be wastage of time. So take my own direct. I'll give you. Repeat. Sorry, repeat.
I forgot her.
No, that's okay. But भाई, कल मेरे दोस्त की शादी है.
Tomorrow is my friend's wedding, and she told me to come one day before her wedding.
Okay, so
कल
what you
तुम्हारे
want?
दोस्त की शादी है.
Tomorrow is
Sound.
tomorrow is wedding of your friend.
Yeah.
कौन सी
Um,
दोस्त?
Which friend?
My college friend,
नाम क्या है उसका?
Okay, what is her name?
Sita.
Okay, Sita.
Your friend Sita.
Your friend Sita.
उसका शादी है.
His marriage is
There
there.
is
Marriage.
marriage.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
तो तुम जाना चाहती हो?
So do you want to go?
Speak loudly.
So do you want to go?
Yeah, I want to go.
मैं
Ah.
अगर नहीं जाऊंगी तो वो बुरा फील
If I
करेगी.
don't go, she will be upset and don't enjoy her wedding.
या वह मुझे रिक्वेस्ट की है कि तुम जरूर आओ.
She requested me to come.
She has
She has requested me to come.
to come. It's okay.
It's okay.
तुम अगर जाना चाहती हो तो मुझे कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, तुम जा सकती हो.
If you want to go, then I have no any problem. You can go.
लेकिन
But
उसका घर कहाँ है
But-
और तुम कैसे जा रही हो?
where is her house and how are you going?
सुपर, वेरी गुड.
That is-
उसका घर मुजफ्फरपुर में है.
Her house is in Muzaffarpur.
Speak again with the sound.
Her house is in Muzaffarpur.
Sorry.
Oh, I'm sorry.
मुजफ्फरपुर दूर है. मुझे नहीं लगता है तुम्हें जाना चाहिए.
Muzaffarpur is very far. I don't think you should go there.
But she's sending her car to pick me up. Now it's fine. I can manage.
नहीं, फिर भी दूर है.
But then also it's too far.
क्या तुम मैनेज नहीं कर सकती हो कि ना जाए?
Can't you manage that you don't go there?
मैं आपको बोल चुकी हूँ भाई, जाना जरूरी है.
I already told you that it's important to go. She requested me.
She has
requested me.
requested me.
Yeah.
And problem क्या है? जब कार वो भेज रही है मुझे लेने के लिए तो problem क्या है?
And what's the problem? She's sending me the car to pick me up. So
That's fine then.
That's fine.
मुझे
then.
तो नहीं लगता कि problem है.
I don't think there's some problem.
I don't think there is
Any
any
problem.
problem. क्या तू अकेली जा रही है?
Will you go alone? Are you going alone?
या नहीं,
No.
मैं और मेरे साथ 2-3 और दोस्त जा रही है.
I and my some friends are going
Me
together.
and my
Friends are going
some friends are also.
going
Going.
together.
कौन कौन से दोस्त जा रही है? थोड़ा नाम बता.
Which all friends are going?
क्या मैं उसे जानता हूँ?
Do I know her?
them?
Do I know them?
Some friends.
Okay.
Do I know them?
Do I know them?
सबको तो नहीं लेकिन कुछ को आप जानते हैं. Not to
Not
all,
to all, but you know some of them.
some of them. क्या नाम है उन लोगों का?
Okay, what are their names?
Very good. What are their
Names.
names? You don't know the name 2, 3. Oh my God. 3 girls' name you don't know.
Okay, fine, I'm giving.
अंजलि.
Anjali,
Julie.
Sita, Julie.
सीता का तो शादी हो रही है ना?
Gita का शादी हो रही
नहीं, सीता के साथ.
Oh,
You said
okay,
सीता.
okay.
अंजलि,
Anjali,
Julie,
Julie.
Simran.
Simran.
Yeah, all filmy names are there. Anjali, Julie and Simran.
Simran.
ये तीनों मेरे साथ जा रही है.
The 3 are going with me.
With me.
Okay,
Fine, no problem.
fine, no
लेकिन
problem.
तुम्हारी सीता कैसे दोस्त बनी? कहाँ मिली उससे तुम?
But how you got?
How did you
How
pick
did
up
you become friends
of सीता?
of Sita?
तुम इससे कहाँ मिली?
Where do you meet?
तुम इससे कहाँ मिली?
Where did you
Which
meet
form
her?
of the verb? Meet.
Where did you met
Where did you meet her?
met her?
वो मेरी
she,
कॉलेज की फ्रेंड.
she is my college friend, and I get to know her while reading in the same classes.
Sound may not be catching the mic actually, so you need to repeat the sentence with the sound actually.
Okay, she is my college friend,
Friends.
and we get to know each other while studying together.
Okay,
Okay,
no problem.
no problem.
तो उसका घर मुजफ्फरपुर है, फिर यहाँ कैसे आती है? वो यहाँ
Her
कैसे
friend,
मिली तुमसे?
her house
Your
is
friend house. हाँ,
your
हाँ.
friend's house is at Muzaffarpur.
In
Muzaffarpur.
okay.
So
And तुम यहाँ रहती हो.
and you are living here.
तो तुमने तो मतलब वो यहाँ कैसे आती है पढ़ने?
So I'm not getting how she comes
How
here.
did she come here?
How does she come here
Today.
today?
भाई आप बहुत सवाल करते हैं.
You are asking too much questions,
Speak
brother.
loudly.
You are asking too much questions,
भाई
brother.
उसका घर मुजफ्फरपुर में है लेकिन वो पूरी फैमिली के साथ दरभंगा में रहती है.
Her house is in Muzaffarpur, but she lives with her whole family here.
Full of family members here in
Here.
दरभंगा.
Here in
उसके
Darbhanga.
पापा यहाँ जॉब करते हैं.
Her father's work in
Her
the
father
work
works here.
here in
And इसलिए वो
Darbhanga.
लोग यहाँ रहती है.
That's why they are living
They are
here.
living here. कुछ और क्वेश्चन है तो पूछ लीजिए.
Do you have any other questions? Then ask.
No, I got
ठीक है.
everything.
I got all the things.
I got
So,
all the
शादी
things.
कल है.
So marriage is tomorrow.
Yeah.
जी. And जाओगी कब तो?
And when will you go?
Her car
वो तो
will
चाह
come.
रही है कि आज मैं आ जाऊं लेकिन मैं उनको कल के लिए कह रही हूँ.
She wants me to go today, but I think I should.
I'm telling her I'll come tomorrow.
I'm telling her that I'm coming tomorrow,
लेकिन वो मान नहीं रही है.
but she is not
Being agree
being agree.
or she's not being angry, not agree.
Agree.
Agree. I'm telling
She's
her.
not being agree. So final planning क्या है आज की कल?
So what is your final planning? Are you going to today or tomorrow?
क्या मैं आज चली जाऊँ?
Should I go today?
Do I go today? अच्छा शुरू भी चले. Should I go
Today?
today? चले जाओ.
You can go.
No problem.
No problem.
तो अगर आज जाओगी तो फिर आओगी कब?
So if today
If
you are
you go
going,
today,
if you go today, then when will you come back?
repeat.
If you go today, then when will you come
When
back?
will you come back? देखिए शादी तो कल है.
No, wedding
See.
is tomorrow,
तो कल तो मैंने आ सकती.
so I can't come tomorrow.
लेकिन
But
मैं कंफर्म करती हूँ परसों आ जाऊंगी.
I confirm you that I will come a day after tomorrow.
Okay.
ठीक है, no problem.
Okay, no
तुम
problem.
जाओ.
You go.
अपना ख्याल रखना.
Take care of yourself.
I will. Thank you.
Don't worry, bro.
Don't worry, bro.
मैं अपना ख्याल रखूंगी.
I can take care of myself.
I will take care of
myself.
myself. ठीक है.
Okay.
भाई मुझे कुछ पैसा भी चाहिए.
Bro, I need some money from you also.
Repeat with the sound, man. Mike will not catch your sound.
Bro, I need some money from you also.
You have put it down actually. Do one thing. Pull it Let the mic be close to your mouth actually.
Yeah.
Now speak.
Bro, I want some money from you as well.
कितना?
Okay, how much?
अगर आप 5,000 दे दो तो बेहतर है क्योंकि मैं अच्छा सा गिफ्ट खरीदूंगी.
If you give me 5,000, then it's better. I want to buy a very beautiful gift.
ठीक है.
It's okay.
जाने से पहले भाभी से ले लेना 5,000 मैं उसके पास छोड़ दूंगा.
Before going there, take money from your sister-in-law.
मैं उसके पास 5,000 छोड़ दूंगा.
I will
Leave with her
I will leave with her 5,000.
क्यों आप डायरेक्ट नहीं दे सकते?
Can't you give me directly?
दे सकता हूँ लेकिन अभी पास में पैसे नहीं.
I can give you, but there's no money
No.
with me now.
तो कैश कौन मांग रहा है आपसे?
So who is asking cash from you?
आप डायरेक्टली मेरे अकाउंट में ट्रांसफर कर दो.
You directly transfer it to my account.
ठीक है.
Okay.
मैं थोड़ी देर में कर देता हूँ. तो
Okay,
जा
आप-
तैयार हो.
Okay, after some time I will transfer. You go and get ready.
अभी नहीं जाऊंगी. 4 बजे जाऊंगी. कार 4 बजे आएगा.
I'm not going now.
I will not go now.
I will not go now. The car will come to pick me up at 4.
तो मैं 4 बजे जाऊंगी.
So I'm going at 4.
ठीक है. नो प्रॉब्लम.
Okay, no
कुछ और
problem.
चाहिए तुमको मुझसे?
Do you need anything more from me?
Do you want to take anything more from me?
Do you want to take anything more from me?
No.
No, it's fine.
It's fine. Thank you, bro.
Thank you very much,
It's
bro.
okay, no problem.
It's okay, no
अपना
problem.
ख्याल रखना, किसी से कोई प्रॉब्लम ना हो.
Once again, take care of yourself.
Once अगर I remind you,
Once again, I remind you, take care of yourself.
मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं चाहिए. ठीक
I
है?
don't want any kind of problem.
I will.
Don't worry, bro.
Don't worry, bro.
Thank you so much for permissions and money.
Thank you so much for your permission and also for the money.
Great. Can you all clap for the audience?